Hoia baciu forest is a dense forest located near the city of Cluj-Napoca in Transylvania, Romania. It is often referred to as the Bermuda Triangle of Transylvania, due to the numerous unexplained phenomena and paranormal activities reported by visitors. Here's some information about Hoia baciu forest and its notable events. 1. Haunted reputation. Hoia baciu forest gained international recognition for its reputation as one of the most haunted forests in the world. It has been the subject of numerous paranormal investigations, documentaries, and books. 2. UFO sightings. The forest is particularly known for its frequent UFO sightings. The most famous incident occurred in August 1968 when a military technician captured a photograph of a disc-shaped object above the forest, known as the Hoia baciu disc. 3. Strange phenomena. Visitors have reported various strange phenomena while inside the forest, including electronic devices malfunctioning, unexplained orbs of light, sudden feelings of anxiety and unease, and mysterious physical injuries such as scratches or burns. 4. Mysterious clearings. The forest contains several inexplicable clearings where no vegetation grows. These circular patches are known as Hoia, and are believed to be areas of intense paranormal activity. 5. The Ghost Bride. One of the most famous legends associated with Hoia baciu forest is the story of the Ghost Bride. According to the legend, a young woman was murdered in the forest, and her spirit now haunts the area, appearing as a ghostly figure in a white dress. 6. The Disappearing Shepherd. Another local legend involves a shepherd who entered the forest with his flock of sheep and mysteriously vanished without a trace. The story goes that he reappeared 5 years later, wearing the same clothes and with no memory of what happened. 7. Hoia baciu documentary. In 2004, a documentary called The Hoia baciu Forest, Beyond the Legend, was released, exploring the mysteries and paranormal phenomena associated with the forest. 8. Paranormal research. Hoia baciu forest has attracted the attention of paranormal researchers, scientists, and enthusiasts from around the world. Many have conducted investigations and experiments in an attempt to unravel the mysteries of the forest. Tourism and visitation. Despite its eerie reputation, Hoia baciu forest has become a popular tourist destination. Visitors come to experience the mysterious atmosphere and explore the forest's eerie beauty. Guided tours are available, providing insights into the legends and paranormal occurrences associated with the area. It's important to note that while the forest is known for its paranormal stories, many of the reported phenomena can be attributed to natural causes or psychological effects. Nonetheless, Hoia baciu forest continues to captivate the imagination of those interested in the supernatural and unexplained.